What if I told you that one tiny spice sitting quietly in your kitchen could transform the way your body feels in just 5 minutes? Yes, I'm talking about cloves. A simple, everyday spice with extraordinary hidden powers. Before we dive in, I want to know, from which city and country are you watching this video? Drop it in the comments because I love seeing how far our natural health family reaches across the world. The remedy. Ingredient: 1 whole clove. Yes, just one. Quantity: only 1 clove is enough. More is not better. Timing: place it under your tongue for 5 minutes. Dosage: do this once daily, preferably in the morning or whenever you want fresher breath and a quick boost. Quick question for you: have you ever tried cloves before? Type yes or no below. I'm curious. How to do it properly. Take 1 whole clove. Place it gently under your tongue. Hold it there for about 5 minutes. You'll feel a warm tingling sensation. That's the natural oils being released. After 5 minutes, chew it lightly and then swallow. Why timing matters. Doing this before meals can stimulate saliva and prepare your digestion. It's especially helpful if you struggle with dry mouth or bad breath. Morning use gives a refreshing start to your day. How it works. Eugenol, the main compound in cloves, has antioxidant properties, natural antibacterial effects, soothing action for irritated tissues, stimulates saliva production which washes away food particles, neutralizes harmful acids, protects tooth enamel, starts digestion, supports oral health, digestion, and even helps with inflammation in gums, throat, and joints. May assist with blood sugar regulation when combined with healthy eating. Did you know dentists have used clove oil for centuries to ease tooth discomfort? Amazing, right? Important notes. Stick to 1 clove. More is not better. Do not use concentrated clove oil directly in your mouth. It can irritate tissues. This is a supportive habit, not a replacement for medical or dental care. So here's my challenge for you. Try 1 clove under your tongue for 5 minutes, then swallow it and let your body do the rest. If you notice a difference, share your experience in the comments. I read them all. And don't forget to tell me where you're watching from. Hit that like button if you love natural remedies and subscribe so you never miss the next one. Until then, make it a great day.